Streamline English.
Unit 11. Look, feel, taste, sound, smell.
I like your fur coat, Helen.
Do you?
Yes. It looks very expensive.
Really? It wasn't expensive. It was second-hand.
Was it? It doesn't look second-hand. It looks brand new.
Oh, it feels cold in here.
Does it?
Yes. Is the radiator on?
Yes, it is. It'll feel warmer in a minute.
Waiter! These vegetables aren't fresh.
But they are fresh, sir.
Well, they don't taste fresh to me.
I'm sorry, sir, but...
And the wine. It tastes sweet. And I asked for dry.
I'll get the manager, sir.
Listen to my new hi-fi, John. Does it sound all right?
Yes. Sounds fine to me.
I think the bass is too loud.
No. Sounds perfect. It sounds better than mine.
Have you changed your perfume?
Yes. Why, do you like it?
Yes. Smells terrific. What kind is it?
It's Charlie.
It smells expensive. Is it?
I don't know. It was a present.